Welcome. This is clip 3 from lesson 11, and what we're going to focus on is poetry and music as forms of biblical commentary. Why do we encourage ourselves to use these forms of poetry and music as commentary, and why do we use these in our classrooms as well? So here goes. First of all, these are both forms of sensory education. This allows us to access different forms of senses in our education and really widens the opportunities, expands the educational impact of what we're trying to do when we teach Bible. 2, we provide our students with possibilities of imagery. It invites them to think in creative ways about different images that they encounter in the Bible, in the biblical text, and what it means for them as they try and make sense of this text and what it means for them and their involvement. 3, it's active involvement. In other words, when I hear a poem or I engage with music, it invites me to become an active participant in the interpretive process. It is subjective interpretation in the sense that I have my own voice that I can bring to the table. If it's through poetry, I can explain the poem according to the way I see it. The music is my interpretation, is subjective, and obviously this encourages me as well to go and suggest my own interpretation. Through the exposure to poetry and music, I see and I witness how others have taken these texts and provided and prepared poems as well as music, and that invites me to do the same for my work as well in terms of my interpretation and developing meaning for me of a biblical text. So in that sense, I think it's a wonderful extension of the interpretive process, and it brings the students to higher and more meaningful levels of understanding. Thank you.